Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this review because there will be a giveaway. Check you later.
The Geek Vape Blade Kit in 60 seconds. The Geek Vape Blade Kit combines performance and style to create a really versatile device that you're going to definitely want to try. Built from extremely lightweight but highly durable aircraft-grade material, the blade looks good, but it's tough enough to stand up to the day-to-day rigors of vaping. The blade can run on dual 2700, 21700, or dual 18650 batteries with the use of the included adapter. There's a full temperature control suite, a full range of protection from reverse polarity, short circuit, low voltage, and overheating, and there's also a bypass mode for all those free spirits out there. Have we mentioned that this mod looks really nice? It comes in matte black, crystal sand, or starry night, and features an OLED screen and an easy-to-reach oversized firing button. On top, you get the Aero Sub-Ohm tank. It's a 25mm diameter tank. It has a 4mm capacity that features an easy-use threaded top fill system and adjustable bottom airflow. The Geek Vape Blade Kit is a killer device that we know you're going to love, and you can get yours at VapeWild.com.
Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a giveaway on the Geek Vape Blade Kit, and we'll be giving away one of each color, so that is 2 total. Make sure that you thumbs up this video, hit the little bell icon so that you get notified next time we post another video, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Now make sure you do subscribe, and you have to comment as well. All of the giveaway information is going to be in the description below, and you will have to read that to enter. Sorry. It's the rules. And this is an 18 and up giveaway. You must be old enough to vape in your state. And yeah, guys, so make sure you do that and read the description below because all of the details are going to be in there. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.